Hey guys, Angelique here, and in today's video I will be covering what is affiliate marketing. Now, before we dive in, I just wanted to let you guys know about the free workshop that we have going on. Basically, if you are looking for ways to make money online, make sure you check out this free workshop. It's so good and you definitely don't want to miss out. I wanted to just cover a few of the ground basics of what affiliate marketing is, how you can make money with it, and the basics in terms of what beginners need to know about affiliate marketing. Basically, affiliate marketing is the process of earning money or commissions for every time you drive a sale for a different product. So say that product is, a blender on Amazon. If you get an affiliate link for that blender and you somehow sell that blender to different customers, you'll make a certain percentage on that value price. Every time you drive a sale, you earn a slight commission on that product. So the idea behind affiliate marketing is that you promote other people's products. You make a commission, also known as revenue sharing, with the person whose product you're selling. So basically, it doesn't have to be your product. Essentially, your goal is to market other people's products and then make a commission off of that. Obviously, there's a lot of things that go into making products, programs, services, offers. And so if you could somehow position yourself to make commission off of someone else's product through revenue share, you put yourself in a position where you can earn that sense of passive income that everyone on the web is talking about. Basically, there are two parties, the product creator and then the affiliate marketer. The product creator is the person who creates the product. Think of brands like Amazon. They have all of these different products that are on their platform and they're selling those products. The affiliate marketer would be you. You take products off of Amazon, you market those products, and you put an affiliate link over it and you make a small commission or revenue share with however much value that product costs. So say for example, you find this kitchenware set on Amazon. You make a blog post about it, you make a YouTube video about it, you make a TikTok video about it, and you make an Instagram post about it. But when people click on your post trying to learn about the product that you're selling, they'll go through your affiliate link and you'll have a UTM source in terms of the URL, which means your affiliate account in terms of your affiliate marketing account will be tagged as someone to give commission to. If someone purchases that product, you will make a 20, 30, sometimes 40, 50, 60 commission off of that product. So that's basically what affiliate marketing is making money off of selling other people's products. It doesn't have to be your product. Once you get really good at it, there is so much opportunity for income streams because there are so many product creators out there. So if you could figure out a way to sell other people's products while also making affiliate marketing income and commissions off that, you are set up for good. Another example for affiliate marketing, and I think you probably see it everywhere, is influencer marketing. So basically, a lot of times you see influencers on Instagram sharing their discount codes to promote a, boutique or a specific brand, and they get like a, Angelique 20 discount code. Basically, if people, their audience, their followers, their subscribers, they go to the website and use that discount code, say it's Angelique 20, they'll know that that purchase came through their brand, through that affiliate partner, and then the affiliate marketer then makes commission off of anyone who uses their code. So that is another example of ways you might see, affiliate marketing in your everyday social media, Instagram life. But basically, there is a lot of opportunity for it. Now, you don't even need to have tons of followers to make affiliate marketing work. There are affiliate networks such as ClickBank, and there are a few others that you can use to sell people's products while also still making commission off them. I hope this video gives you a little bit more clarity about what affiliate marketing is and how you can use it to make money online. Essentially, affiliate marketing is powerful, especially if you aren't a product creator. You don't really know what you want to sell. Basically, all you need to do is make a few bucks here and there, maybe a few $100, a few $1,000. It doesn't matter. It depends on the quality of the product you are promoting and if you can figure out a way to market that product to the masses of people. And there are strategies to do that. If you're interested in learning more about that whole process, make sure you watch the free workshop in my description. There is so much value that we are dropping in that workshop down below. Just make sure you click the link in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Oh.